Cody! Today on Cooking with Cody, we are doing sweet and sour chicken.
Yeah.
Vicki messaged us saying that that Jess and Max and her little pregnant bump love sweet and sour chicken.
Yeah.
So we've decided to dedicate this one to them, and we've used the recipe that they used themselves. So Jess and Max, if you're at home watching this, then hi. You say hello to Jess and Max?
Hello.
Jess and Max.
Hello, Master Max. Hi, Cody. My name's Jess, and I'm here with my brother Max, but he's in bed at the moment, and he's 3 years old. And we love our mum's sweet and sour chicken. We would love to see you make it because we love watching your videos. Bye.
Cooking with Cody, sweet and sour chicken. Scene one, the only scene and the only take because it's live. You ready? You ready? Should we get going? Need to do some mixing now though. And some cutting.
What?
We need to do some chopping.
Oh.
Yeah?
Chop.
Wash your hands. Let's wash our hands and get ready. Yeah? Right, knife, chopping board. Remember what we did earlier? When we did most of the chicken. There's a little bit of chicken left that we've got to do. So here is 200 grams of chicken. Thank you very much. We cut most of it earlier because obviously it takes a while to cook. Do you want to just tip it onto the chopping board? Just tip it on. That's it.
Oh.
Yeah, now break it all up.
I cut the knife. I cut this.
That's it. Brilliant. Chop it all up. You've got to mix all this and then leave it for 20 minutes to marinate in itself. So in this chicken, you're going to mix it in the frying pan.
Oh no, not put it in yet. Don't put it in yet.
So the chicken goes into there.
Go.
Thank you. So put the chicken into the frying pan, Code. Right. Can't have this, it's salt. Wash your hands, yeah? So we're going to put a teaspoon of salt.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in.
Sprinkle it over.
Mix
And
it.
then a teaspoon of corn flour. So half of that as well. Not all of it. What's in there?
Egg.
Egg, yeah. So drop the egg in. Well, don't drop it in. Crack it. Remember the farm we went to?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the egg from the farm. Honest.
This is the egg from farm.
Yeah, so give it a crack on the side. Good boy. Get some tongs.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Towel. Bit unhygienic really, sorry hygiene people.
Here you go.
Thank
I
you.
might do that.
Yeah, mix it around, pinch it and twist it. Pinch it and twist it. So then this is supposed to go into the fridge now for 20 minutes. For 20 minutes to marinate in itself.
Uh-oh. You break it.
I think that's done, Code.
Yeah, I'm gonna put
Yeah?
it on now.
That's gonna all go into there. Let me get out of this. Yeah.
Open it.
Right, so that's gonna go all in there, yeah? Egg, salt. What else is in there, Code?
Egg. Egg. I don't mind it all that way. I have one bit. Didn't fall.
I'm just putting this hob on. No, I didn't fart, it was the gas. Gotta make sure that these are all nicely, properly covered. Take the spoon out a sec. I'm just gonna see whether these are all covered in the flour. which they are. You've done a really good job with that, Cody. Well done.
Mum, make it a cat.
Yeah. So So the next bit that we're going to do when Cody's finished with this is the peppers.
Papa, I do that one. I do that one now. You want, Daddy. Go on.
Yeah, unwrap that then. Hello, my little Lara. There's a bit of juice for you. Good girl. So pop that in the bin. So tip it out. Careful not to drop it.
Oh, no.
Can you come back on this side?
No.
Yeah, come back here.
Okay, this is why Cody.
So we're just going to chop these up into little bits like we have done earlier. So Jess and Max, I'm copying your recipe here, guys. Well, we are, sorry.
I don't want it. I don't want it.
No, do you want me to do it?
Yeah.
So I'm just putting these into the deep fat fryer. Got about 2 cups worth of vegetable oil in here.
Polo. Go for
Fire, yeah.
What's in that? What's in that, Daddy?
Nothing's in there yet, but we're going to put the rice in there, which is actually quite good that you've reminded me, because rice takes about 15 minutes. Once it's at 180 degrees, that shouldn't need more than 5 minutes to cook through, to be fair. Do you want to get the rice out of the pot? So boil some water, and pour that into your saucepan. 1. 5, 6. Well, good luck.
Now.
So that's that bit done. So I give this back to you?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you want to pop that somewhere?
And a pretty.
Yep, good boy, thank you.
And a mayo. And a pretty.
And the salt. We don't need the salt just yet.
And a mayo. Come on.
Mayo. We don't need mayo for rice. Right, 2 tablespoons of oil. What a day today. Just going to check that everything's working as it should be. Are you working? It looks like it's working. Come on, otherwise Lara will do it. I want you to do it, Cody, please. It's got your name on it here, cooking with Cody, and you're not cooking. You're washing. It doesn't say washing up with Cody, does it? It says cooking with Cody. So all of these people that are watching want to see you cook. But I need you to help me. I can't do it on my own. I can't do it. I can't open it. Can you show me?
I did it!
Good boy.
I got touched it.
I need you to help me with this. Can you open that one for me?
No.
Open, please, go on. So we're going to put 2 cloves of garlic into here. Yeah? 2. 1. Sit them down now. So now we're going to change the name of it to Cooking with Daddy. Yeah? We're going to cook with Daddy. Do you want to do it? You're not washing up, Code? Code, you're not washing up. Look, what we're going to do with that. That purple cup. We need that one. What's in there? You little tinker today, you are, aren't you? You are. What's in that one? You'll watch this back and think to yourself, maybe I should have done that bit because I've missed out. This is 1/4 of a cup of caster sugar. So that's going to go into the frying pan, yeah? Do you want to come and do it? Yeah, you do it from there then. Do it from there, Cody. Cody, tip it in. Come here. Cody. 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 Come on. You can't go through there, there's a wire. Come here and just pull that in for me. Come off your bike. Please, please, come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
No.
Come on, please. Please?
Hi.
Yeah, you can't get through there. Shall I put it on then? No. I literally can't do it on my own. I don't know what I'm doing. You have to help me. You're going to have to help me, otherwise.
It's matching.
See, I need your help. See, it's all splashing everywhere. Remember what we did with this? This one?
Yeah.
Come on then.
Oh, it's
Where's the can opener?
What? It's matching it.
I know, we need to finish it quick because otherwise it's all going to burn and go horribly wrong. There's your can opener. I'm going to put some rice vinegar in there as well, quarter of a teaspoon.
Daddy, you do it.
Quarter of a teaspoon?
Do it for me.
Quarter of a cup. Quarter of a cup.
Do it. I'll do it. I'll read it.
Quarter of a cup, Cody.
I'll go to far.
Quarter of a cup, yeah?
What me?
In there. That's that. And then what else is there? Tomato ketchup. Tomato ketchup we've got to put in.
Do it.
Do you want me to help you?
I did it. I did
Oh,
it.
good boy, see? Tomato ketchup, Cody. Yeah? How much of this?
Oh.
How much of this? 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup.
Daddy, do it.
Yeah, should we do it together?
No, not you. No. No, I'll do it.
You
No,
go
not
then.
you. Not you, Daddy.
Okay, you do it then. Squeeze it
With it.
and twist it. Shall I help you?
I'll do it. I'll do
Squeeze it harder.
Not you. Not no, Daddy. Wait a minute.
Go on.
Try.
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 That's it. Done. You've done it. Well done.
Oh, I did it. What?
So in here we need to do, what is it? 2/3 of a cup.
What a cup. What a cup.
So don't touch that 'cause it's sharp.
Yeah.
Right, so 2/3 of a cup. We need 2 tablespoons. Don't spill it. Go on then. Don't touch, remember, give it a little tap. Tap, tap. That's it. Alright. Now put it in the washing up. This is the first time we've ever done, I've ever done, Cody's ever done, Lara's ever witnessed us doing whatever this is. We're actually cooking in Cody's kitchen for the first time ever. Cody, I'm just going to put this outside because it's very hot and we don't need it. Okay. Oh, glad you left your bike there. That's really handy. So this is a massive shout out to Jess and Max and Vicky's little bump, and a very hello to Vicky's fella guy. He's in the RAF, I believe. So salute to you, sir. This is one of their big dinners that they love. So just going to sieve out the water for this rice. Going to just put a little splash of oil in there first.
Oh, look, there's a packet.
Got a teaspoon of oil in there. To crack the egg in.
Ow.
Go on. Now give it a mix. There's the spoon.
Okay.
Give it a good old mix. So now we're just going to scramble these eggs first.
Oh,
Oh, I can't wait to show you this.
Daddy, hold the spoon. Hold the
You have a little spoon.
Yeah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, you tea. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, you out. Little spoon. Now we got to melt it all the fire.
Right, now we need to put it on the fire. Ready? Normally I put a vegetable stock cube inside the rice, which gives it a really cool flavour. So now I'm going to put the rice back in. Yeah, so this is egg fried rice now.
It's really hot.
Now this.
What a fire.
Now this, Code. Some for me. Some for you. Code, look.
Where's yours?
Good boy. Come around this side.
That's yours.
Do you want to come around this side? Come around there.
Is that why you okay?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do mine.
You can have yours in a minute, it's a bit hot. I'm going to try some chicken.
I'm gonna try this chicken. I'm gonna try this and that. I'm gonna try this. Try this. Try that.
I'm going to take a bite on. Forget it.
I'll get it. I'll get it. I'll get it.
Oh, photo. I'll have to do it again for the photo. A little bit hot, Lara. You can have that. That's okay there. There you go. A little bit of rice, yeah? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, you're just eating it.
Grossing.
No.
Yes, it is. That's
Vicki, this is really good. Isn't it, Code?
Not me.
Cody, before you go, can you just say goodbye to everybody? Look at Daddy's phone.
Okay, I'm gonna say bye.
No, round here. No. This side. Cody.
No.
Cody, please. You're such a tinker. They can't see you that side. There's no point in pulling faces. You can only see you this side. Yeah, you can see me, can't you? Hello, Cody. Right then, come round here and say goodbye to everybody, please.
No.
Code, come round and say goodbye to everyone.
No.
And say thank you for our amazing food.
Thank you, Nathan.
Good boy. And come and say bye.
Bye.
Come round here and say bye. So come stand next to me.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye, see you soon. Next week, live on Sunday, Amanda J, yeah you, she's asked us to do fish finger sandwiches. It might sound a bit boring. Oh no. You just wait and see what we've got lined up for you. So get on board. Tune in on Friday for we're going to send our ingredients out.